Hi everyone, I'm Mark Camero, and I'm proud to say that we celebrate here in Barangay Maon our Chicharon Festival. Come and join us to look closer to our barangay celebration.
Join us you proudly share the flavor that puts our community in the map. Chicharon at its the best. April 25, our barangay proudly celebrates Chicharon Festival, a joyful event that highlights our most beloved local product, Chicharon. This special event honors our very own Chicharon product, a proud symbol of our local culture and livelihood. Our community comes together to showcase the unique flavors and crispiness that make our Chicharon stand out. The festival is filled with colorful parades, lively music, it's more than just food, it's a celebration of hard work, tradition, and unity in our barangay. This festival was created to honor our very own Chicharon product, a crunchy delicacy that represents the pride and flavor of our barangay. Even at the past, our community has been known for making delicious and crispy chicharon. It has become one of our main sources of livelihood and a proud symbol of our local culture.
This year, panag-uusap, pinag-naay o pagtinabangay para sa malambuong Barangay Maon will be the theme of our yearly Araw ng Maon celebration. I hope this year's Araw ng Maon event is a great success. Happy Araw ng Maon and Happy Chicharon Festival 2024. Daghang salamat.
Hi everyone, I'm Mark Camero and thank you sa pagsubaybay sa video and for our celebration sa among barangay. So, this celebration is remind us na bisag simple na produkto brings people together. So, thank you kayo sa inyo and have a good day and God bless. Goodbye.